Hi, it's Alex from Ford Fireside Shop, and today I want to talk to you about the difference between gas logs and direct vent inserts. This is a set of vented gas logs, and these are direct vent inserts.
Both logs and inserts are installed into an existing open fireplace to convert from wood to gas. They are both beautiful and easy to operate, but provide different benefits. Vented gas logs are decorative and do not provide any significant heat. However, they are super realistic, feature huge flames, and maintain an open fireplace look. The damper must be open when these logs are operating, just like when burning wood, so a significant amount of warm interior air is pulled out of the house through the chimney when they're on. The required safety clamp will keep the damper partially open when the logs are not in use. It is common to install glass doors with logs to reduce potential energy loss or drafting via the chimney. A direct vent insert is designed to turn an open fireplace into an efficient and beautiful zone heat source. The logs are contained behind a glass panel, and two vent tubes are run up the chimney to a cap. One tube exhausts, the other brings outside air into the insert for combustion. No interior air is lost up the chimney, and no downdrafts or smoke come in. The ceramic glass radiates heat energy, and the heat exchanger warms interior air and circulates it back into the room. In order to heat the family room/kitchen area, where people spend most of the time, they usually need to raise the heat in the entire house. An insert can heat the most used area of the home, using less fuel with higher efficiency, while creating a beautiful focal point at the same time. We invite you to visit our showroom in Glen Mills, Pennsylvania, to take a closer look at the vented logs and direct vent inserts we have on display. Ford Fireside Shop, everything you need for the warmest hearth.